And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
Well, let's look at the estimated rainfall by Doppler radar, and actually close to 6 inches of rain came down south side of McAllen, south side of Mission. You can see that bullseye of red in there, and that did cause some flooded roads. However, when you zoom out and look at the bigger picture, that definitely stands out, along with a place in the north central part of Starr County that also saw close to 5 inches. With those exceptions, there hasn't been as much of that really intense heavy rain. And anywhere where you see that shade of yellow is over 2 inches of rain. Shade of green is an inch, but if you're seeing that shade of blue, that's less than an inch. And look at all the places, and particularly in Cameron and Willacy County, where some parts of Cameron County have barely seen any rain, just some very light rain coming down. But you can see where the worst of it has been, western Hidalgo County and Starr County. So there is more rain out there. In fact, there is a band of heavier rain moving in. We're a little concerned that we could see, if this rain slows down enough and the intensity is high enough, we could see some flooded roads. We're not seeing any right now, but because of the heavy rain that's already come down, particularly in western Hidalgo County and Starr County, we're going to have to be on guard through the morning hours, early afternoon, for a little bit of flooding in some spots. We don't think it's going to be widespread, but isolated flash flooding is possible. There could be some flooded roads, so do use caution when driving around this morning. We don't have a need to report right now, but we could see that develop. Notice at 8 a.m., we're talking about scattered showers, mainly moderate rain coming down, but there could be some pockets of heavy rain. We think the rain is actually going to be backing off as we go through the morning hours, though. Notice at 1 o'clock, not a lot going on, mainly just a couple areas of light rain showers. There could be a few thunderstorms that pop up in the afternoon. We do think there's going to be some redevelopment later afternoon, but we think the most widespread activity is going to be during the morning hours, and it's going to be more spotty even as we get into the evening hours, the overnight hours. The rain is still going to be there, but we're not looking at any widespread activity. I think tomorrow morning we're going to be waking up to isolated light rain showers. In the afternoon, scattered showers and thunderstorms are going to be around. And once again, if heavy rain goes over an area that's already seen a lot of rain, there is an outside chance we could see a little bit of flash flooding. But we're not looking at any period where there's widespread heavy rain for a long amount of time, so we don't expect a repeat of what we saw in June. Most are just going to be getting some much needed rain. So showers and storms are likely today, particularly in the morning hours, but there'll still be some rain around in the afternoon. And with all the rain around this morning, we are not going to be warming up much. Look at high temperatures today, only around 87. A normal high this time of year is 93. Yeah, nowhere close to it. Isolated flash flooding, but focus on the isolated. We don't think it's going to be a widespread issue. They're going to be widespread wet roads, but not widespread flooded roads. We think that is going to be in limited areas and mainly in Starr and Hidalgo County. Not worried about that for Cameron and Willacy County. Scattered showers and storms still in the forecast for tonight. Cloudy skies during the day today and tonight. Lows around 76. Still a very good chance of rain tomorrow, and the small chance for flash flooding will continue. Now, Wednesday and Thursday aren't looking as wet. We think there's going to be more sun around. That's going to get our temperatures back into the low 90s. Scattered showers and storms, but kind of a 50-50 chance of seeing rain. There are going to be quite a few people missing out. That does change Friday and Saturday, though. Rain chances on the rise again. Once again, soils are going to be pretty wet, so we're going to have to watch out for some isolated flash flooding. Not concerned about widespread flooding right now, and it looks like by Sunday rain chances will start backing off again. But this is a pretty cool and pretty wet 7-day forecast. Well,